Right, Queen, I've got to keep this short and quick. My name's Raquel and I'm the CEO and founder of Hairstylist Mastermind. I'm going to be having an event on the 24th of November at the Croydon Conference Centre in Croydon, right? And I'm inviting you to come and get your ish together with me and some other badass queens who'll be on stage telling you about how they built their business and how they kept themselves motivated and kept the faith to keep going even when sales weren't coming in. So if you're an aspiring entrepreneur or you're an entrepreneur who just kind of fell off a little bit and you want to kind of get your ish together, this is the event to be at. So click the link in my bio, grab your tickets, and I can't wait to see you there. So like I said, I got to keep it short and quick. So the info to take is this: 24th of November in the Croydon Conference Centre. The event's called G.Y.I.T. London, and you can get your tickets on shubs.com, Eventbrite, or at hairstylistmastermind.com.
It's Lucky's on the beat.